Has a big bank or lender turned you down for a home loan because your credit score was imperfect, leaving you to believe your dream of homeownership is dead? Welcome back to Shop Your Mortgage and VA Mortgage Specialist, where we specialize in turning no into welcome home. Here is the secret: most loan officers and tell you. The Department of Veterans Affairs actually does not set a minimum credit score requirement for the VA loan program. The minimums you hear about, like 620 or 640, are actually lender overlays, rules that individual banks make up to protect themselves, not rules from the VA. This means that just because one lender denied you, it doesn't mean you are disqualified from your benefits. We work with veterans with scores as low as 580, or even those with past financial hardships, by focusing on residual income, the money you have left over after bills, rather than just a 3-digit score. Do not let a generic rejection letter stop you from using the benefit you earned. Visit vam.com today to get a second opinion on your credit scenario, and subscribe for more honest answers about mortgage approvals.